So what I did was went on and bought one for a giveaway. Hey babes, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, guys, if you can see by the title, it is on a Five Below perfume. Now I do have over probably 9 to 10 perfumes from Five Below. But I was like, you know what? I don't have the time nor the space, or you guys have the time for me to do all of these all at one time. Because it would be really, really big. And I mean, I have a lot of perfumes from Five Below. So I don't want, and it's way more over there I can't get. So, but I want to just go ahead and start a series. So can we do that? Back again with another fragrance. So this, I'm going to do one fragrance maybe one fragrance a week, or maybe one fragrance a day, or every other day. But I will come to you. I'm going to make it like a series, so that way that I can be able to go in depth and what these smell like, what I feel like they're doing. Can we do that? So I picked up some really good ones, and with Five Below have been duping. They have been really seriously duping. Okay, they have been duping a lot of fragrances like Ariana Grande, Kim Kardashian, Paris Hilton, Britney Spears, and they have been duping trying to dupe K.I.Lee, as well as Billie Eilish. So today I am here with a Billie Eilish one, and none of these are unwrapped at all. I left the packaging on because I wanted to do it with you guys. So what it is that I received, well, I didn't receive, girl. I went to Five Below and I saw this right here. This right here is called Delish, which is Golden Delicious Perfume for her, Eau de Perfume, and it's a 3.4 full ounce, which is 100 ml. That's 100 ml, guys. Okay, and if you see on the box, it has like faces on it, you know, styles of faces and stuff like that. Let me go close, that way you can see. And this is what the bottle looks like right here. And it has Delish on there. You can see that they're trying to really mimic Billie Eilish. This is a dupe for the Billie Eilish perfume. So I do have the Billie Eilish perfume right here that I will you know, sample with, as well as her little small ones right here. Now it's not this one right here because it don't look like this one. So this is a small Billie Eilish as well. So it's these right here, these babies that they're mimicking. Okay, so what I want to do is go ahead on and get the notes to what is in here before I open it up or anything. I read it, get the notes. It's called Delish, D-E-L-I-S-H. So I'm looking on the site, which is melrosestore.com, and it says, indulge yourself with a captivating aroma of you scent. Delish Golden Delish Eau de Perfume, which boasts a delightful blend of sweet sugar, zesty tangerine, and juicy red berries. Allow this luxurious fragrance to surround you with its alluring scent, leaving a lasting impression wherever you go. So on the box as well, it has the notes of what's in here as well. As you can see down here, it has the notes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead on and tell you what the notes are, which is sugar. The top notes is sugar. They just have sugar. They just have top notes. They don't have any other type of notes. Even on the website, I didn't see that. I see top notes, sugar, tangerine, and red berries. That's all I see on here. When I look on the website, I don't see anything else they're saying. So inside of here, the Billie Eilish, which smells amazing, beautiful, sweet, creamy, very gourmand. The top notes to that is sugar, red berries. Now they have the sugar and red berries inside of here because this says sugar and red berries. It has, and mandarin orange. This has tangerine in it. Then the middle notes are vanilla, cacao, spicy notes, and rose. Base notes are tonka bean, amber, musk, and woody notes. So I know that this will have more in it besides just those, okay? So I'm going to go ahead on and pop it on open with you guys, okay? So this is from United Scents as well, United Scents. So I haven't opened it, so I want to open it. I want to see, I want to smell it. I'm going to smell it with you guys, okay? So I thought maybe it'd be nice to do a series with you guys on the affordable, I'm going to say Bath and Body Works, on affordable 5 and below, because everybody don't have the money for that. So I wanted to try to find something that was really affordable. That way you guys can be able to get your hands on it as well. So when you open it, this is what you see right here. And by golly, this is more like a, okay, the top is hollow. Let me drop it. You hear that? So the top looks like this. I hope I don't hit this up too high. And the bottle is glass. The bottle is glass. This is what it looks like. The body of it is very beautiful. But then when you go ahead on and put the top on, it's very hollow. It's a face. Just a face that's turned to the side like so. And if you can see the Billie Eilish is turned to the side as well. But she has boobs, okay? So they just gave the whole body. So you can't tell me this is not Delish and Billie Eilish. Come on. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead on and I'm going to spray. Actually, I should just, you know what? Let me just go ahead on, because I'm only doing one video. So let me go ahead on and just spray this Delish on this side. Okay. And I'm going to spray the Billie Eilish on here. I had to use this one because that one is going. So, but I don't want to, I don't want to throw this away. So I keep it for keepsake, girl, because this is on E, okay? It's on E. This is my second time purchasing this. And I will be doing the empties, y'all, my empties, and what I like, you know. But this one is full. I just bought this a mini, like a little travel one. But this, okay. Now, this does smell like Billie Eilish. It smells like Billie Eilish, but it smells really, really light. Really light. You can smell the sugar in it. It's not like a sweet like Billie Eilish is. Billie Eilish is very sweet, very gourmand. This right here, it has the hint of Billie Eilish to it, guys. It really does. It's faintly light, but for $5, what can you expect, okay? I don't get this lasting like probably not even an hour. If it lasts an hour, then okay, maybe once it sit a little bit, maybe it will do more, but I don't get it to last more than an hour. Well, it maybe an hour or two. It does has like a little oil in it. I do feel the stickiness. But yeah, this is very, very faint. Very faint. I can smell only a little bit of vanilla. The berries, I don't smell the berries. I just smell the vanilla, and I smell the vanilla, and it's a little warm. Other than that, Billie Eilish is definitely where it's at, but it does has Billie Eilish vibes, guys. It really does have Billie Eilish vibes. Like I said, it has the sugar, the red berries, and the mandarin orange. Now, $5, you can't expect anything for $5, okay? But you do get, anybody, if you don't know what Billie Eilish smell like, you can get somewhat of a whiff of this. Okay, now it's drying up, so I'm picking up a little bit more of the vanilla. It's a sweet smell. It smells pretty good for $5. I got 9 on my screen. That's why I'm looking. For $5, it's okay. I mean, you know, you would have to keep spraying. I mean, you know what I'm saying? You just have to keep spraying. It's really cute, but you definitely want to let it sit and macerate for a little bit or marinate for a little bit. Of course, we know that it cannot out-top this, but it does has Billie Eilish vibes. So I just wanted to be able to just review that way that you don't have to review it if you wanted to. But I think that if you put like some oil on or something, like you put some body oil on and you spray it, I think it probably would last a little bit longer. I probably should do it for you guys. But I do smell it. I still smell it. It's still here. Faintly, but it's here. When it dried down a little bit more creamier. But Billie Eilish is way more creamier, succulent, okay? This right here smells like, actually, you know what, let me tell you. It smells like I wore it for a long time, and it's faint like that. So if you want to know, that's what that's like. So anyway, I went on and bought it for $5 at Five Below. You can pair this with something and it'll make it stronger, okay? So don't feel bad if you spent your money. You can still smell it, okay? You can still smell it. So what I did is that I went on and I bought this because I felt like this would be something good for you guys to be able to try out. So what I did was went on and bought one for a giveaway. Just in case if somebody want, you know, if anybody want one of these, you know what I'm saying? You could just, you know, let me know that, Jay, I would like to have it, and, you know, I'll send it on out to you. So, I mean, they are really beautiful, though. But anyway, so that is my review on the Five Below perfume from United Scents. Is Delish, Golden Delish. This is it. So, like I said, it's a giveaway. All you got to do is just let me know that you want it. I'll choose somebody. You know, no certain thing you have to do. Just, you know, just tell me that you want it, and, you know, I will send it out to you. You have to be a subscriber, though, okay? And if you're here and you watch the videos, you might as well subscribe. It's free, okay? All right, so if you like these videos, then just let me know down below. Jay, keep doing these. I have a series that I want to start, and this is series 1, okay? So series 1 of my Five Below perfume dupe. The next one I think that I do want to review, I'll let you know. Okay, I'll let you know. All right, guys. So, like I said, comment down below. Let me know that you want to get this free Golden Delish, and I will send it out to you. All right, guys. So, you already know, like J Baby says, thank you so much for being here, y'all. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, and share the video. Let them know that Five Below, you know, honey, you don't have them coins, okay? Five Below has some perfumes. Don't be like that. $5. You can't expect a whole lot for $5, but $5 is $5, okay? And I still smell it. All right, guys. So be blessed and not stressed.